Today we're checking out the Stainless Power 1 7/8 inch catted long tube headers with aftermarket connect for the 2015 and newer Mustang GT and Dark Horse. These headers are a great option for Mustang owners looking to unlock significant power gains, improve exhaust flow, and enhance sound with a bolt-on upgrade. The standout feature of these long tube headers is their 1 7/8 inch primary tubes, engineered to improve exhaust scavenging and reduce that back pressure. This design delivers gains in mid-range and top-end horsepower, perfect for drivers seeking performance both on the street and the track. These headers include high-flow catalytic converters, maintaining emissions compliance while still offering a more free-flowing exhaust than the restrictive stock setup. The cats are internally matched for performance, allowing for improved flow without sacrificing legality or triggering any check engine lights. The Aftermarket Connect flange system is designed to mate seamlessly with popular aftermarket mid-pipes, making it easier to integrate into a custom exhaust setup. This eliminates the need for any welding or any extra adapters and simplifies the entire install process if you're upgrading more than just the headers. Also, precision fabrication with mandrel bent tubing and TIG welded construction ensures smooth airflow, consistent fit, and durable performance under high heat conditions. The result is a clean, aggressive tone that complements that Mustang's personality. When it comes to the construction, this is going to be crafted from very high quality 304 stainless steel. These headers resist corrosion and handle high heat effectively. The mandrel bends maintain smooth airflow through tight curves, while the TIG welded seams provide strength and leak resistance. The thick flanges resist warping during thermal cycles, maintaining longevity and a reliable seal over time. Now, as far as pricing goes on the full setup, it's coming in right in that mid 1400s price range. Considering the high quality stainless steel construction, the high flow cats, and aftermarket connect compatibility, this level of performance upgrade offers a strong value for Mustang builds focused on power and sound enhancement. Installation can be involved, so it's getting rated a 3 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and expect the job to take a day to get everything done correctly. You'll need to remove the factory manifold, the mid-pipe, and the heating shield to get this job done. And while there's no welding or anything required for the connections, tight areas and clearances make this best suited for somebody that's confident in their abilities, or go ahead and hire a professional if you're not. While not 100% necessary, a tune is going to be recommended afterwards to fully capitalize on those performance gains. Alright, that's going to wrap up my review of the Stainless Power 1 7/8 inch catted long tube headers with aftermarket connect for the 2015 and newer Mustang GT and Dark Horse. And for all things Mustang, keep it right here at American Muscle.